Welcome to the SysAdmin lab. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to join a Windows 10 machine to domain. This is one of the most important tasks for any IT system administrator and desktop support role. This video is part of a series where we are learning from basics to advanced level IT system administrator job duties. If you haven't seen my tutorial on configuring Active Directory in Windows Server 2022 yet, I've shared the link down in the description for you. So, let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have done all these changes to your Windows 10 machine before joining to domain. First, make sure your Windows 10 machine is connected to the SAM network as your domain controller. Second is we should have already configured the domain controller's IP address as DNS server on this client machine. This allows the client machine to communicate with the domain controller. You can also verify the connection by running a ping test to make sure the domain controller is reachable and resolving correctly. And third, you have the domain name. For this demo we have demo.local domain name. And last one, you should have an administrator account or an account with permission to join machines to the domain. Now, let's begin with joining the domain. Go to this PC, right-click and select Properties. From here, click on Advanced System Settings on the right-hand side. In the System Properties window, click on the Computer Name tab. Here you can see this machine is not in domain yet. This is under Workgroup. Click on the Change button. In this window, select Domain and type the name of your domain. In this lab, demo.local is our domain name. Once you enter the domain name and click OK, you'll be asked for credentials. Enter the username and password of a domain account that has permission to join computers to the domain. In our lab case scenario, I'll use administrator account of demo.local domain. If the user have permissions to join machine to domain, then successful join domain message will appear. You'll see a welcome message saying, "Welcome to the domain." Now click OK. After the confirmation, Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Click OK and restart the machine. Once the system restarts, on the login screen, select Other User. Enter your domain username and password. For example, here we are using Demo Administrator. And that's it. Your Windows 10 machine is now successfully joined to the domain. Let's verify at both domain server and Windows 10 machine. Once you log in on Windows 10 machine, go to this PC again and select Properties. Here you can see device name is changed to full device name along with domain name, which is demo.local. We can also validate this thing from Advanced System Settings and Computer Name Settings. Here also you can see that this machine is now successfully joined to the demo.local domain. Now let's go to the domain controller server to verify. Open Active Directory User and Computers and click on Computers OU here. Sometime if your Active Directory User and Computers window was already open, then you just click on Refresh button to refresh session. And here you go. We can see here our Windows 10 machine joined domain successfully. We can move this machine to any other OU as per our organization structure. For this demo I have created two OUs named as US and UK. I'll move this domain joined machine to US Computers OU for better management, which is very useful when we use group policies to apply settings on OU. Just right-click on machine name showing here and select Move and then select the desired OU name and click OK. Now machine will be moved under the US Computers OU. Just refresh again and you can see the machine at new location. Congratulations! You have joined your first Windows 10 machine to the domain. Now I'll see you in next tutorial video with new different topic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the SysAdmin Lab, and press the bell icon for more IT system administrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.